Hey kids, do you want to hear a story? Smiles and Skills presents You Phonetic Story. Once upon a time, there was a girl. Her name was Antra. She was very unhappy. Do you want to know why? Uh, Unhappy. She wanted to go out and play a game with the umpire, but it was raining. A umpire. So she searched for an umbrella, but she could not find it. A umbrella. So she looked for the umbrella in the urn, but it was not there. A urn. Then she looked for it under the table, but found her dog sleeping there. Under. Finally, she went upstairs. She could not find the umbrella there either. Uh, Upstairs. Antra looked outside the window. The rain had stopped. She went out happily to play uphill with her friends. Uphill. So, kids, did you enjoy the story? Presented by Smiles and Skills. True learning takes place when you see a smiling face.